Have you seen these cool flexible fish? Well, today we're going to make them and use them to create a food chain. We're going to make 3 of these fish today. So you're going to need 3 different pieces of construction paper in 3 different sizes. And it's your creation, so you can make them whatever color you want. We're going to take our construction paper and make it into a square. So we fold it over like this, and then we're going to cut off that extra edge like this. When you open it up, you should have a square now. We're going to put the square down, and we're going to fold up the sides just to that center line. Just like this. Then we're going to do the same thing to the other side. We'll kind of give you a kite shape, sort of. Then we're going to open it back up, but we need to use those lines later. We're going to fold it back in the middle, on that middle line. And now we're going to cut slits on that fold. And we're only going to go down to those lines that we just made. You're going to cut from the fold down to that line, but be careful that you don't cut off your end. And then we're going to keep going. About the width of a pencil, I would say, for each cut. We're going to cut until we get, maybe about an inch or so from the very end. Should look like this. And we're going to kind of round off where the nose will be. This one's going to be our smallest fish. And we're going to fold the bottom so we can glue it together to give it this 3D shape. Like that. Put some glue on the belly to hold it together. This could be like a krill or just a small fish that the bigger fish can eat. And once you know how to make them, you can make them even smaller. I made an even smaller version. Here it is. Now we want to make a bigger fish that would eat a little fish or the krill. So I went to the next size up of construction paper, and it's the same steps. I'm going to make it into a square, but you might be able to see the steps a little better on this one. We're going to cut off the extra. Fold the 2 sides to that middle line. Open it back up and fold it in the middle again. Then you start to make your cuts. Cutting from the fold down to those lines. Shh! Don't tell Mrs. Smith, but we're going to use the fast forward button on her here. I think I'm going to round off his nose a little bit so it looks a little more like a fish. Now we just need to add some eyes. show you how to make his fins and his tail. To make those, you just use a piece of your construction paper, fold it in half, cut out a heart. Then we'll glue it on the tail. And you can do the same thing for the fins. Cut out another heart. And this time we'll cut the heart in half. That way we'll have two fins, and we can put one on the left and one on the right. Cut the heart in half. And now the same thing with your big piece of construction paper. You're going to make the biggest fish, or maybe even a shark. I'm going to make mine look like a shark. Well, okay, so he's an orange shark, but still, you get the idea. Grr, you and that fast forward button. You know how hard it is to move this fast? Now we've really got a shark.
Bottom.
Wait a minute. I forgot the fins and the tail again. There we go. I fixed it.
And there you have it, our flexible fish food chain. Have fun. See you later.